Okay, we're going to show you how to program your fobs to your receiver. Here we've got a receiver box. What we will do first is we will just plug in our actuator. We are plugged in. We will hook up 12 volts to it. Now it's programmed. Now it's hooked up. We will open the side of the box up. And we'll have two little black tabs that we will just remove for now to program it. Then what we do is press the white button down. A blue light should appear. Press your fob any direction, it'll go off. That means it's programmed. Now your actuator should move. And to do a second one, here's the joystick. Same thing. You press the white button down, push it forward, and it's programmed. Now it'll do total strokes in the actuator. So put your two little tabs back on. Be careful you don't lose them. There. Make sure you got 1 inch increments, which you do. It's perfect. It's what you want. Put your box back in. Put it back together. You're done. You're programmed with your fobs.